y'all, welcome back to Eat with Darn. How is my foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all out there doing good. I know I am. Y'all, today we're doing Freddy's, but before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, y'all, and hit that notification bell. So, yes, let's get started. I have the double steak burger and the Chicago style hot dog, all beef, okay, with some french fries. The kids say this the what y'all say it is?
The bomb.
The bomb. I haven't tried it, so this is our first time. Okay, foodie fam. So we gonna see what it's all about. The kids say dip it in the sauce, but y'all, I got something to tell y'all about yesterday. Anyway, let's try this first before I jump into that. That fried sauce tastes good. Okay. I see you, Freddy's. Hold on now. I got to take the fries out of there and put them right there. All right. Yeah, food fam. So, I'm at the nail shop. I got the thing done. I hate when they be rushing through your nail to get to the next one. She messed up my nail.
What nail did they mess up? Show them which nail they messed up.
Girl, I'm eating. I don't know.
So was it packed in there?
Oh, look. I don't like this video. Anyway, but yeah, they messed up my nail. Y'all, this bread is hard as ever. You know what the hell?
They gave you that extra chewy.
Man, this daggone bread hard. This hot dog don't taste like no Chicago style hot dog. What? No.
This became a food review.
I swear to God, it so good. Because I was expecting, it's my first time. I told y'all it's the first time I'm eating it. I mean,
don't they taste like Big Mac sauce?
this?
Yes.
When was the last time I had a Big Mac?
First of all, Big Mac sauce ain't nothing but Thousand Island.
That's what that tastes like. Big Mac sauce.
Let's try it. I mean, this one, the bun seem soft. Let's try it. Yeah. This a double, y'all. Is I couldn't believe it either. Is this a double? Yes, it is. I'm like, this double mighty small.
How is it?
Let me chew a little first.
It tastes like steak and shake.
Mm-mm.
It don't.
Y'all raving about this thing like it's alright.
It looks like steak and shake to me.
Steak and shake? The fries?
Yeah, them fries look exactly like steak and shake.
Mm-hmm. Because
They're too identical.
they're too identical.
Yeah.
But to me, steak and shake tastes better.
Steak and shake is good fresh.
No, steak and shake is disgusting.
No, it's not.
Y'all just talking.
Wow. Team steak and shake all day.
I mean,
I can't even speak on it. I've never had it.
it's, I don't know. Passing phrase and I said, okay. My son said, Mama, it's good. I'm like, okay. My daughter says it's good. All right. I'm going to try it today. Well, first of all, I came out the nail shop. I'm telling this child, Freddy's. This child done came home. All out the way. Freddie going back, what's that? South? Freddie going back south. And she done came back north. Don't ask me why. I really, I don't know. Y'all. Because it's like this bread right here is so hard. I really... This is a twist. I was not in love with that. I mean, I'm gonna try it again, because you know sometimes, but today wasn't the day for that. Then I have this custard cookie sandwich. Okay, Oreo. Now this look like the bomb. I should have gotten what I said I was going to get the first place, the patty melt. I love patty melts. Now this is it. I ain't got no plate. No nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Now, this I will go back for. Ooh. It's like gooey goo. It's so good. It's just dripping all over me. Well, that's done. Y'all, I'm tired as ever. Been a rough day today. But y'all know we gotta keep moving. Just one of them days. This was the bomb. I hope y'all have a good evening. Bye.